Okay guys, this is Hitesh Tripathi and in this video we will be seeing editorial video of Code Chef Lunchtime 2020 October. Chef is just throwing random words. Okay, so what we are having in this question is we are having a sequence A, and what we have to do is we have to tell bitwise OR value of all the sums of elements of its subsequence, which will be equals to 2 raised n. Okay, so in simple words we will have 2 raised n subsequences of this array A, and we have to tell bitwise OR of all the sum of elements of this subsequences. Obviously we are not going to generate all subsequences because it will give TLE, and constraints are 2 raised 30 will be value of AI and 10 raised 5 will be n. Now general, if some of you have solved simple standard DP problems, then you may have remember that this question, these type of questions, for these type of questions which approach we can use is, one thing is कि एक question है कि how many distinct sum of subsequences can be made. Okay, तो what we do in that question is we check कि कौन कौन सा सम हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो ये जनरल अप्रोच डीपी की हम यहाँ से बना सकते हैं. क्या कि one thing which we have to observe is our maximum answer. What can be our maximum answer, bitwise or maximum value? Okay, our bitwise or maximum value will be, obviously, let's say we have sequence a1 to an, and sum is equals to somewhat like 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, this is sum. Okay, you can say, let's suppose. Now maximum set bit in this sum, let's say, is 10th. Okay, now so you can say that maximum answer can be all the bits set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, all the bits, all the 10 bits set. Okay, maximum value, maximum bit which can be set in our answer will be 10, obviously. Okay, and maximum answer can be when all the bits in our answer is set. Okay, now from this we can get a observation that first thing we calculate is what is the maximum set bit, what can be the maximum set bit of our answer. Okay, let's say it can be 50 or 51. Why? Our values are 2 raised 30, somewhat like 10 raised 9, and value of n is 10 raised 5. So in worst case maximum answer can be 10 raised 40, or which can have at max 50 set bits. Okay, okay, now what we can do is we can simply check for 50 set bits that for we can just iterate over all 50 set bits. Okay, and we can simply check that for ith bit using value of a1 to an, these values and subsequences sum, we can make ith bit set or not. If we can make ith bit set, then we will simply add in our answer 2 raised I. Okay, then we will simply add 2 raised I in our answer if we can set ith bit. Okay, now how we will check that we can make ith bit set or not? There can be two conditions. One condition is we can directly check that any individual value can set this bit or not. Okay, so for that we will simply iterate over our array from a1 to an, and simply we will set all the bits in a1, all the bits set in an we will set in our dp array also. Okay, and what we are having in our dp of I, let me explain this also. In dp of I, we will be having number of elements setting ith bit. Okay, in dp of I we will be having number of elements setting ith bit or making ith bit 1. Now it is easy task. Okay, we can do this simply. And now we have all 50 elements dp array. Okay, in which dp of I is equals to number of elements which can set ith bit. Now second observation what we can do is, let me give you an example. Let's say we have two numbers. Okay, 0 1 0. In this 0th bit is set. Okay, and second number is also same 0 0 1. In this also 0th bit is set. So total dp of 0 is equals to 2. Okay, now with the help of this what we can do is, if we add these two values, okay, if we add these two values we get 2, and its binary representation will be obviously equals to 0 1 0. In this number we have first bit set. Okay, so from this you can say that if we have value dp of I minus 1 is equals to x, then by using these x values we can set ith bit. Let's say I minus first bit को set करने के लिए we have x numbers. Okay, then for setting ith bit we will exactly have x by 2 elements. Okay, this is how we are going to create our dp array. Why this is happening I have already showed you here. Okay, by taking this example. For more observation you can simply observe that if we have some number in which ith bit is set. Okay, तो होता क्या है कि जो I माइनस फर्स्ट बिट है वो डिविजिबल बाई 2 है. लाइक ith बिट 2 रेज 0 है तो I प्लस 1th बिट क्या होती है 2 रेज 1. तो आप उससे ऑब्जर्व करो ये ऐसा हो क्यों रहा है. ठीक है, इफ यू स्टिल हैव डाउट यू कैन आस्क इन कमेंट सेक्शन. ओके, I have explained how we are going to make our dp array, and let me show you the code now. Simply take an input of values, okay, and initialized our dp array. Now for firstly checking for every individual value of array A, that how many numbers of each dp of j will be having. ठीक है, तो jth बिट को सेट करने के लिए कितने एलिमेंट्स होंगे. ठीक है, फाइन. नाउ दिस इज अवर आंसर इन सम. ओके, एंड नाउ वी विल बी सिंपली क्रिएटिंग अवर dp array. If I is greater than 1, okay, तो dp of I will be dp of I minus 1 by 2 प्लस कर देंगे हम I में. Why? Because I बिट को सेट करने के लिए I minus 1 बिट को सेट करने वाले एलिमेंट जितने होंगे डिविजिबल बाई 2 हो जाएंगे, उतने एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट्स I बिट को सेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो इट विल नॉट मेक चेंज. अगर कोई हमारे पास ith बिट सेट करने का ऑलरेडी एलिमेंट है तो ऑब्वियसली वो तो हमारा आंसर में काउंट हो ही जाएगा. बट इट विल मेक चेंजेस व्हेन लेट्स से इनिशियली यहाँ पे हमारा 10th बिट सेट नहीं हो रहा था, बट वी हैव 10 numbers which are setting 9th bit. So by using those numbers we can set our 10th bit also. That's why we are doing this. Okay, now we will simply check if dp of I exists, then we can obviously set ith bit, and that's why we will add sum plus is equals to 2 raise I. Okay, fine, and simply output value of sum. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any doubt you can always ask in comment section. Till then, subscribe this channel and Press the thumbs up button if you like this video. Thank you guys for watching.